Okay mga lods, dahil tapos na po ang aming trabaho, of course, pauwi na kami. Kasama ko po ang artista ng Trojena Mountain of Neom, no other than Mr. J. Wow! Of course, hindi rin magpapatalo ang hari ng Trojena Mountain of Neom, no other than Mr. Boy Dreamer ng Saudi Arabia. Now we are here in Trojena Mountain of Neom. You know mga lods, so very nice looking around of these locations. So very amazing. Amazing views around here of these locations, mga lods. Hanggang dito na lang ang aming video. So abangan niyo po ang next susunod namin mga video. Maraming salamat. That's it. Thank you very much.